My name's Chef Pippi, and I would like to say that I don't know what to do today. So, yeah. I got it. Let's do some math. Oh. I can't do it, guys. I can't do it. I don't know how to do math. I'm just stupid. I'm broke and stuff. And stupid. So, yeah. I guess I can at least try. Let me go to the store. Okay, and so, great. Okay. I got them. Multiplication, division, fraction, stuff. So, we're going to start off with some subtraction. So, yeah. Let me open it up. Yeah. Alright, first problem. Let me grab a few. Alright. So, what is this? 10 minus 1. 7. Like, who would know? 3. Wait. Hold on, let me get out my calculator and see. Oh, wait. It says the answer on the back. 1? How? It was 10 minus 1. Not. What? Wait. Let me try something else. Maybe the next problem will be easier. Alright. 11 minus 10. 5. Done. It was 1. No. All these were wrong. Look at that pile. And it's the easiest one yet. So guys, officially, I can't do math. Yeah. Alright. I'm crying. Oh wait, I forgot. I don't have tears. But my feelings are broken. I'm sorry. I just can't do math. I'm just stupid. I don't know anything. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!